Why do 90% of dog owners laugh when their pups sneeze? Let's find out. Meet Max, the most adorable golden retriever with the funniest sneeze ever. 1 second, he's all calm and cute, and the next, boom! It's like a tiny explosion of fluff and cuteness. Watch closely and you'll see his ears flop, his eyes squint, and bam! The cutest sneeze attack you've ever seen. If you think this is funny, just wait until you see his reaction. Max isn't just a sneezer, he's a full-blown comedian. So if you need a quick laugh, just replay this on loop. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your fellow dog lovers.